So hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today I am here with Beat Best.
So guys, as you know, I do a lot of collaborations with Arch28, and today we are playing a survival world. So this is our gameplay.
So we did fast forward it.
So we're fast forwarding most of it. So the thing was, I would use WASD and he would use the mouse. So we had a bit of difficulty at the start, but it was fine. And in this video, guys, you're just gonna see a lot of time pass because we like irritating each other a lot.
Yeah, so he actually throws my pickaxe away later in the video. So
yes, and this video has this is a very cool seed with lots of unexpected things in the seed. You guys are gonna love this video. So I'm just gonna give myself a shout out to my channel,
please,
because this is going on Arch28's channel, or else it can go on my channel too.
Wait, why don't you do your POV?
No, I'm just gonna do this. I'm gonna download it and I'm gonna upload it in my channel by editing it a bit. So Arch, you're cheap.
Okay, fine, yeah, sure.
So now guys, we were deciding to get some gravel because we would gravel.
Anything. Okay, fine.
British accent sucks. British accent sucks. American accent is the best.
Okay, by the way, so here
we had some difficulty killing pigs.
So here I was playing on the mouse while Beat Best was playing on the computer. No. I was playing on the keyboard while Beat Best was hitting the pigs.
Yeah. So we had some difficulty, but
he just threw the pickaxe away for some reason.
No, you threw it.
No,
because you were playing on the keyboard. So I killed a lot of sheep, and I love killing sheep.
Yeah. So stop shouting. Okay. So here.
So now
I was controlling the mouse now because I am the one who hits people.
So then I think now we just made more wood, and then
and if sugarcane, yes.
So now I just said let's go in one random direction and hope we find something.
And what did we find was quite astonishing.
Nice use of words. Okay, so now we just decided to kill some more sheep because we find more sheep.
Make a bed. And
you know, whenever we play two-player Minecraft on the Xbox,
in split screen,
we never find enough wool for like killing sheep.
So Beat just broke his axe, and now we are like, what should we do?
Yeah.
Okay, now we are crafting some stuff, and now we crafted a pickaxe.
Okay. So now we were I think we went to look for stone.
No, we first killed the sheep, then killed some cows, and then we went to look for stone.
Okay.
And I guess that's when we found.
So now we were just doing some random transition and we were hitting each other. That's why we stood still for 1 second. Okay. And this is the big surprise.
We actually did find that by mistake.
Yeah.
And at first we didn't even notice it. We straight went for the stone and coal.
And then now I just told him that I think I noticed something. So then now he just let me play by myself because he told me that he's gonna go to the pillager outpost and he's gonna go to the chest.
Go for the chest.
Yeah, go for the chest. And I warned him that he'll die because he does not how to play. He does not play good on PC.
No, like I'm not at all good at PvP for some reason.
I'm very good at PvP. I'm the next Technoblade.
Okay, like I'm not at all good at PvP, but I'm better at different things. Okay?
So I sort out my inventory.
I'm better than Beat Best. So we are like sorting out our inventory.
You have some game knowledge. I'll accept that, but I'm better at PvP.
Only at PvP.
And better at speedrunning. And speedrunning is very important.
No, not at all. Okay, yeah, it is.
Okay, so now
we break crafting.
Yeah. So now we decided we're just gonna get some food. We're gonna cook some food and then we're just gonna go up
and kill the pillager thingy.
Yes.
For some reason, Beat Best always says pillager, but it's actually villager.
Fun
fact.
Thank you.
So here, Beat Best does a lot of wrong things. He doesn't put the pickaxe first, which is a great speedrunning tip. And Beat Best calls himself a speedrunner bird.
No, because I know all Arj knows is how to speedrun to the nether. I know E-ring, all the important things about the nether. And how to just get a bastion fortress, find it quickly. I know everything
He taught me.
The basic, Arj knows the basics, but I know the important pro speedrunner tips.
So here I started to play and I made Beat Best sit away.
Yeah, and I know the pro speedrunner tips, but whenever I use them, I just die.
So
Because
that's kind
there are some people who don't acknowledge how good I am at the game,
of knowledge.
and they don't listen to me, and they just die when we play two-player speedrun. Don't talk.
We are crafting a bed, 2 beds actually. So Beat Best just said that one for the Ender Dragon, but then I told him that the Ender Dragon, my Ender Dragon is
The
alone.
amount of times he's died in this one video is just crazy.
Okay, like I've died 2-3 times or 5-6 times, but Beat Best has also died.
I've died twice.
No.
Twice.
You died twice or more than
No,
twice.
I tried it one time.
Okay, so
Then the
here I'm
second
just
time
checking the,
no.
advancements.
The first time I tried to go inside, but I missed. The second time I managed to come inside. I made
Cage.
Yes, I made some
Cage
cage, but
for
somehow
inside.
the game glitched and I died. But the
No.
third time I did it everything nice.
Okay,
I did
so
it.
here Beat Best is just going. I am just going and I'm.
Like, you don't know how to play the game. All you do is go up to some random illager and start hitting him. Then you hit a sheep. You know, if you see in the subtitles, you could just see like 2 seconds ago it said the sheep dies. That's because he hit the sheep and the sheep was his shield for him. So now everyone is behind him. Somehow they're missing. Now he's trying to do Dream. He's trying to be Dream. Murray actually does well right now.
Thank you.
But he doesn't know how to be Dream. So he's acting so cool, like, I know Minecraft. I'm so good at Minecraft. Then he cuts around some wood. He gets some wood, more wood and more wood. He hits a horse. I don't know what his problem. All he does is hit horses the whole time. And now we are just...
By the way, guys, thank you so much for 1K views, and well, of course, I have completed one whole year on my channel. So thank you so much for all your support, and well, continue with the video.
Okay. Right now... Yeah, he has like 1 stack of wood. So it's gonna be really easy for him to go to the pillager outpost. I told him, let me do this. But he's like, no, I will do it because I'm pro Minecraft player.
Okay, but I was very good. Okay, you are a bad boy.
See. Okay, so right
you are
now...
very bad.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah.
So pretty much all he does is just kill pillagers.
Okay, and I'm just running away. Beat Best told me to strap.
Okay. So, and he died. Okay, he does not know how to play. All he does
shut
is
up,
he
dude,
goes
shut
near a
up,
pillager.
shut up.
He acts like he's such a pro. Right now, I told him give me the thing because he really does not know how to play. I'm confident I can do this with 3 pork chop, but my strategy was not that good. Like at this moment, I easily know that if I had all the tools, I would easily, without dying, get inside the pillager thing. I would just bridge on top of them instead of being an idiot and walking inside like that. So I tried hitting them, but I could not hit them because like there's a million pillagers.
The raid came from behind.
So now it was my turn again. I decided to get some blocks and do it.
Wood.
Yeah, wooden blocks.
No, wooden planks.
But they're still blocks.
Just shut up. Anyway, let's continue. Yeah, sure.
My throat hurts because of shouting at you so much. Okay, so now we were just... What were we doing? Yeah, we got some... He got 40 blocks. This noob got 40 blocks.
You were saying
Yeah.
it.
Still. No, but then he took it from me, I think. Yeah.
No,
So
I
now I
didn't.
did the
I should have.
smart thing. I went up here, then I blocked it off so no pillagers could shoot me. Then I went to the top and I opened that chest and I took everything in that chest. See like how smart I am? And this guy here, he does not know how to play.
Oh my god. But first things first, you are just good at PvP, okay? And speed running. That's good. But otherwise, I'm really good.
I have very good timing.
And something just happened that a random voice just started coming. So if you guys know how to turn the shortcut key for that, then please let us know.
It was something about a narrator. Comment down the shortcut key down below and you'll get 10 KR in Trunker for free. So right now I got everything. Then being a smart person, I tried killing him except all the other pillager people came. So then I was like, let's build a hut so they can't reach me. So then I build a hut and then I look and there's a bow and it kills me.
Okay, so it was actually the guy on top. So now it's my turn to play, and then I was like going there and I took the bed and thought that when they started...
I told him to set the respawn point right there.
I set the respawn point. Then
And this noob just tries swimming and he's not able to do anything.
Okay, now I got stuck and did not realize that there was a ceiling on top. Now I'm back.
So now he does some type of weird thing, and he walks into a birch forest and everything is lagging a lot. It's lagging a lot. So then there's an army of pillagers behind him. He just keeps running and running and running and running and running around everywhere like an idiot. Then I tell him, go around the mountain, and then once you go around that mountain, just directly run to the pillager outpost. So once you reach there, you can take your stuff, and you have like 10 seconds before they
So
come.
now I go in a speed run mode with all the pillagers behind me, and then I was like, everybody is crowded.
Like, I cannot believe how bad is he at the game.
Dude, shut up! You screamed already thrice, okay? Plus your vote is getting damaged. Now we both do a
No, but if
smart
you
thing.
yeah,
We turn it to
not you both. Okay, I turned it to peaceful mode for him.
No.
Okay,
No.
and I'm
Yeah,
not
sure,
cheating.
come on.
I'm just helping a new player at
Okay,
Minecraft out.
So now he started playing, but then I stole the thing from him. And
Yeah.
then-
So now, guys, we just were getting our equipment, and that is gonna be all for the first video
But
on
first this-
survival with Beat Best. That is the name.
Okay, yeah, survival with be best.
Yeah.
And
So, guys, I hope you like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to Beat Best, not Arch28 YT.
please me too. Otherwise, I would remove be best from my what do you call it?
Featurings. A
Featurings
channel who
on-
bullies everyone. So, guys, that's pretty much all. Now we go to sleep, and we'll see you in the next video.